Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. What Side Are You On? Polygon is a game which we're having kids make different shapes, make different polygons. So they can have a 3-sided triangle, 4-sided quadrilateral, or more sides, which is 5 or 6 sides. We're only going up as high as 6 sides. Now notice that there are different directions on these different shapes. So if they're making 3-sided triangles, there's lots of different triangles they can make. And they can either decide to go by sides, one of the different sides, or by angle. And once they create their shape, they determine if it is one of these types of triangles or one of these types of triangles that deal with the angle of the triangles. Then there's quadrilaterals, and once again it's based on the sides. If the sides are equal in length or not equal in length, and so they will look at them and determine each possibility that there are, and the same with more sides. So to start this game, students will roll dice, and these dice only have the numbers 1, 2, and 3 on them. So one player will roll it, and in this case they got 4. So they can pick any 4 of these connecting bars and try to make a shape out of it. So for example, let's say they're just going to take these 2 longer pieces, and these, let's say they take the red pieces and they move them so that they make a rectangle. So they might know right away that it's a rectangle and they can cover it with their counter. But if they don't know it's a rectangle, they can go over, are all 4 corners right angles? Yes or no? Well, that's yes, so I'm going to go down. Are all 4 sides equal? Well, no, because my 2 blue ones are not the same size as my 2 red ones, so it's no. So it goes over here, it says it's a rectangle, so I can cover up a rectangle. So that shape is covered up. So the next player cannot cover up rectangle. They have to find a new shape. So they'll put their connecting bars back, and then it's the next player's turn. Now if the next player should roll 2 1s, obviously we cannot make a shape with 2 sides, so they can roll one of the dice again. So if they roll 2 1s, they re-roll one of the dice. So let's say we rolled again and we got 5. So they can go again, pick 5 sides, any 5 sides that they want to, and then try to make a shape with these 5 sides. And they can play around with it until they can try to make a shape that will work. And sometimes they might find they have to play around with it quite a bit because the lengths of each one of these sides is very specific. So they can play around with it until they can get a shape that works, and they can connect them all together. So we're going to say that works. I can angle this a little bit more. There we go. So now we have 5 sides. So we're going to look at this one. I have 5 sides, yes. 5 equal sides and angles. No, we don't have that. So we have what's called an irregular pentagon. So the yellow player will cover up that irregular pentagon. So you get the idea is that they're really trying to determine what shapes are, what their sides and their angles are about them, and they're creating some fun shapes and getting to know the names of them. Now, they can discuss as a group if that shape meets those parameters. If somebody from the other team says, nope, you don't have, all equal sides, or these aren't the right angles, or not, you don't have an obtuse angle, or something along those lines, they can question the other players. So it becomes really good dialogue that the students can have using the vocabulary of geometry, in which we're talking about angles and sides, equivalent, and so forth. So enjoy the activity. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.